Hey guys, Sunil here, and today we'll look at the unboxing and have a close look at Oppo Find X9 Pro. After using Samsung, Apple, and Google Flagship for many years, I have decided to try something different because they have been like quite same without much improvement, and battery backup also has been a big problem. Charging 2 or 3 times a day is not at all practical. Because of this reason, I wanted to try something different, and OnePlus 15 was my preferred choice, but they decided to destroy their camera system by downgrading it to several steps from 13. So there was only 2 or 3 options for me, and I found Oppo Find X9 Pro to be a very good option. This is not a review, this is just the unboxing and overview. Let's get started. I ordered this on a pre-order, and there was 99 rupees fees too, so that you're eligible for some gifts like charger or 2 years battery protection, also the cover. Let's unbox and see what we have got here. Thing price to be at around 99,000, but Oppo ended up making it 1,09,000, but there was 10,000 rupees discount. And also there was 1,500 rupees coupon discount if you had pre-booked with 99 rupees coupon. So I got it for around 97,000. This is what we get in the box if you have purchased the 99 rupees pre-order option. And yeah, it's the packaging is quite premium. You get the Oppo Buds 3 Pro Plus earbuds, and you get a Oppo case. We'll come back to that. And the phone itself. Let's go ahead and unbox the phone now. I'm really excited after a long time finding something different from the usual generic packaging that you get from most of the manufacturers. See guys, this is not a paid review because nobody is going to sponsor a very small channel. So I got this from my own money, and I wanted to genuinely give a try for some other manufacturers other than the usual suspects. So yeah, again you have one more case along with your box, and the phone itself, and you have one more ATVAT SUPERVOOC brick. I thought I was not getting this since they added it as a gift from the pre-booking, but they have added it on their box as well. And you get the cable and the SIM ejector pin. I have ordered the silver color. You have one more titanium color as well. That option is also available. Let's have a look at the phone. This actually looks super nice, guys. You can see the top down, and they have added the screen protector as well, which is really good. I'm not sure why other manufacturers stopped doing this, but this is really nice of them to add a screen protector in the factory. And yeah, so this is how it looks. Let's have a look at the cases that we get with the phone. So this is the case that we get. It's a very soft, decent case, and the one that I got as a part of the pre-booking, let's see that. I think it's a gray, metallic gray or something. So this one is slightly stiffer material, and has a better build quality than the one you get with the phone. This is again the same charging brick as this one, so there is no need to open this, I guess. Thanks for Oppo for adding this one. Most of the companies are claiming sustainability and charging 4,000 5,000 rupees for the charging brick, and you could do with something like this. And let's go ahead and open the Encore Buds 3 Pro Plus. I'm going to do the detailed review of this, but this is just a overview of what all we get with the box. In Australia, I think they charge more for the phone, and they also provide the watch along with the pre-order. But here in India, I think for the price, all these accessories are pretty good. Okay, and now let's go ahead and put everything here. This is all that I got, guys, and also I got 1500 rupees coupon as well. I'm not sure, like this is too early to judge whether this is worth the 97 rupees that cost me, but overall I'm happy with whatever I got right now. But I'll do a detailed camera review after using for a few days, and also detailed phone review. Do consider subscribing if you enjoy the tech content. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.